Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on Lumber Capital Log Yard. Today we have a deck full of beautiful white oak logs that will soon be turned into flooring. And I'm excited about this because the profit is in lumber, not railroad ties, and Storybook just put in an order for a bunch of 1x10s, a bunch. And I'm excited to see what's in the middle of some of these because these are really nice logs. And you know, when you never get to see the middle of them, you never get to see the cool reflex. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Stay tuned to check it out. These have just been some beautiful boards coming off here. Look at some of these Rayfleck patterns. Imagine this turned into a floor. Imagine having a floor like this. I am envious of whoever gets this floor because it doesn't get a lot better than this. And I love the Rayfleck. I know some people don't like the knots, but the knots come with the Rayfleck. When you have the clear boards, they aren't going to have much Rayfleck because they come off of the outer layer. The closer you get to the core, the more knots that are going to be in there. But the core is, of course, where you get the beautiful patterning. So it's all about the look that you like, and everybody has a different idea of what looks the best. But for me, that is just gorgeous. And I would love to show you guys this floor once it gets finished. I don't always have the opportunity to do that, but we're actually going to be putting a floor down in our house very shortly, very soon. So hopefully I get to make plenty of videos on that. I know that I haven't shown that in any of my videos yet, and it's going to be really cool. So stay tuned for that. Also, check out our merch shop if you haven't yet, LumberCapital.shop. You can find our mugs, our coffee. Try that if you haven't. And then also make sure to follow us on other platforms. We're on TikTok now. We are trying to figure out the Facebook thing because we actually had everyone following the Facebook that was Ken Breon, which is my dad, and we actually opened up an LCLY one, and we're trying to get people to go over there. So if you're on Facebook, make sure to look up Lumber Capital Log Yard. There are a lot of imposters, so finding the real Facebook page might be kind of a problem because a lot of people like to go and just steal our content. So good luck with that. I will eventually put a link down in the description so you guys can find that. But I would much appreciate it if you went on there and gave us a like or followed or whatever Facebook is. So other than that, I think that wraps up today's video. If you enjoyed, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. As always, other than that, we'll see you back here next time. Bye.